Hey guys, so we eating the spaghetti my daughter made tonight. So we're gonna give it a try. Y'all take the first bite. What up? Let me get that meat for you. Tastes pretty good. Need just a tad bit more salt though, but it's pretty good. I give it like a 7 out of 10. Good. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, I'm gonna get her to cook tomorrow. She might make some baked pork chops, some macaroni and cheese with some sweet peas. See how she do. Mm. It's good though. I will eat some more. That's almost gone. Mm-mm. And I got a smoothie. It's peach. Mm-hmm. Peach. Mm. I'll go on y'all. All right, y'all. Bye.